The idea came when I was climbing St. Helens. I was mid-hike and surrounded by beauty when I noticed another hiker's tampon trash in the middle of the trail. I too was having my own troubles with tampons. It wasn't convenient changing them every 2 to 3 hours, and I would find myself running between activities only to realize I didn't have enough supplies on me. They were often uncomfortable, causing dryness, irritation, and odor. I wanted to know why, so I gave it a Google. It was the fibers and synthetic materials in them making my cramps more painful. What the? Most pads and tampons are bleached and contain chemical toxins like dioxin, rayon, pesticides, and the list goes on. But when I added up 20 years of putting these little toxic plugs in the most absorbent part of my body, I didn't feel clean or sanitary. I felt betrayed. I innovated VOXAPOD because I believe every woman deserves access to healthy, comfortable, and convenient period care. That's why we spent the last year taking feedback and testing prototypes from diverse women. We've made a few special and important design tweaks that we think you're gonna love. This is VOXAPOD, a patent-pending menstrual cup with an innovative compact design. It's satiny, soft, flexible, and moldable. It folds and inserts like a tampon, but works better and lasts longer. It's not made of cotton fibers, which means rather than working against your natural fluids, it just slides right in and moves comfortably with your body. A reinforced center gives you a foolproof seal with every insertion. No more leaks or ruining your favorite pair of underwear. The bell-shaped curves of the cup allow it to stay put and contour with the natural movements and shape of your body. The unique pinch grips at the base of the cup align with the suction holes, making the seal easy to break and allowing the cup to glide right out. There's a stem at the base, so you don't have to worry about it getting lost in there. The base is rounded and the stem is flexible. It can be trimmed or removed, so there's never any poking down there. There's 2 sizes of VOXAPOD to accommodate your body and flow. The cup contains, rather than absorbs your period fluid, collecting up to 5 times more than a tampon, giving you up to 12 hours of leak-free protection. All VOXAPOD cups are made in the United States using only 100% FDA-approved medical-grade silicone. It eliminates the nasty bleaching and chemical process. VOXAPOD is reusable. There's no wrappers, padding, or plastic applicator trash. In the US alone, 20 billion pads and tampons are thrown into our landfills and waterways every year. With over 1.8 billion people menstruating globally, you can do that math. Not all women around the world have access to safe period care. It even prevents some from getting their education or going to work. With every purchase of VOXAPOD, you fuel our social mission to meet the period care needs of a girl so she can stay in school. We've worked hard for the last 2 years laying the groundwork to bring this product to life. We've partnered with a product designer that's been putting reputable brand products into the market for over 26 years. Our patent is filed, manufacturing and distribution are lined up to coordinate all stages of production and logistics, ensuring that you not only get your VOXAPOD on time, but that it's made with integrity and quality. But to move to the next stage, it requires us to pay for expensive tooling and capital to get to market. If you were to spend the next few years buying a box of pads or tampons every month, you'd easily spend $500 or more. By backing this Kickstarter campaign, you can have a product that actually makes managing your period healthier and easier. Thank you for backing this project. Every share and every pledge helps. We can't wait to bring you VOXAPOD.